Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to insert page background color in Apple Pages. Let's get started. Firstly, select the whole page text and go to the Format and Style option. Select the layout and check mark the paragraph background and change the color and keep the cursor end of text and press the enter for divide the paragraph. Now remove the second page color. Now add the background color second page by different color. If you add the background color to whole page, just press the enter. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.